Hello friends! Is your car stalling, shifting weirdly, or refusing to start? If your OBD2 scanner is showing code P0606, this means your car's Powertrain Control Module has a processor fault. A faulty PCM can disrupt engine performance, affect fuel economy, and even cause a no-start condition. In this video, I'll explain what P0606 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0606 code stands for PCM processor fault. Your car's PCM, Powertrain Control Module, is like its brain, controlling fuel injection, ignition, and transmission shifts. When the processor inside the PCM malfunctions, it stops processing commands correctly, leading to serious engine and drivability issues. Common symptoms of P0606: check engine light turns on, engine stalling, rough idling or failure to start, sudden loss of power while driving, erratic transmission shifting, decreased fuel efficiency, dashboard warning lights including ABS and traction control. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the problem components. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0606, you need to check these components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, typically found in the engine bay, firewall, near the battery, or under the dashboard on the passenger side. The PCM houses the processor that controls your engine's functions. PCM wiring and connectors location. The wiring harness runs from the PCM to various engine sensors. Loose or damaged connections can cause the processor to malfunction. Battery and alternator location. The battery is in the engine bay or trunk in some vehicles, and the alternator is near the engine. If voltage supply is unstable, it can corrupt PCM operations. OBD2 port, for PCM diagnostics. Location, under the dashboard on the driver's side, used for scanning and diagnosing PCM faults. Tip: if your car recently had a battery jump start or electrical failure, these could be possible triggers for P0606. Common causes of P0606. 1. Faulty or failing PCM processor. The PCM's internal chip might be corrupted or damaged. 2. Voltage spikes or electrical surges. An unstable power supply can harm PCM components. 3. Damaged or loose PCM wiring and connectors. Poor connections can lead to processor failure. 4. Water damage or corrosion in PCM module. Moisture can cause short circuits. 5. Outdated or corrupt PCM software. A failed software update can trigger this error. How to fix P0606. Step 1. Scan the car with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0606 code and check for related errors. Step 2. Inspect PCM wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded or damaged connections. Step 3. Check battery and alternator output. The battery should be 12.6V plus when off, and 14V plus when running. Step 4. Perform a hard reset on the PCM. Disconnect the battery for 15-30 minutes, then reconnect it. Step 5. Update or reflash the PCM software. If the software is corrupted, a dealer or mechanic can reinstall it. Step 6. Replace the PCM if necessary. If the processor is permanently damaged, the PCM must be replaced. Ignoring P0606 can lead to serious drivability issues and expensive repairs. Fixing this error ensures your car runs smoothly and avoids breakdowns. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0466, evap vent control circuit malfunction. P0467, evap purge flow sensor circuit low input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.